YOLO. You only live once. Many people believe that today. And it is true that in this form, we live once. But is it true that there is only one life? Is there reincarnation or rebirth? Have we come from nowhere and we go nowhere? Or is there a continuity in life? What exactly happens at the time of death? Who dies in fact? Puja Gurudev Swami Chinmayanand Ji used to say that everybody dies, but no one dies. What does that mean? He would roar loudly, everybody dies, but no one dies. And then he would whisper softly, everybody dies. No one dies. The one truth, the imperishable truth in us does not die. So what happens at the time of death? What happens after death? What exactly is immortality? When we say that the soul is imperishable, what does it mean? This knowledge of the immortality of the soul as well as of rebirth has also inspired many freedom fighters of ours. And fearlessly they have gone to the gallows with this firm faith that till we do not become free, they would continue to come and fight for our freedom and drive the enemies out of the country. The second chapter of the Gita also explores this topic about death, about rebirth, about immortality. Do join us in studying the second chapter of the Gita, verse by verse. Let us understand who we are. We may know the world, we may know many objective things, but what is important is to know ourselves. Who are we as a Jiva? Who are we as the Atma? And there is so much confusion about this. People say that Atma left the body, and then Vedanta says that Atma does not leave, Atma is all pervasive. Then who left the body? What is left behind? Who goes ahead? What does not move at all? What does not go anywhere or come into anything? We must clear all these confusions, and the second chapter of the Gita helps us to attain this clarity. So welcome to hashtag Gita 700, chapter 2, the essence of the Gita. Knowing this, what difference does it make to us? We live our life with much more alertness, responsibility, deeper purpose. We also live fearlessly because the truth is we are immortal. The ultimate fear is the fear of death, fear of losing all that we have gained in this life. The knowledge of the second chapter helps us to live a life of happiness, of detachment, of clarity, of confidence, and ultimately live a completely fearless life. Just like Mother Ganga flows effortlessly, we also can live life effortlessly with this knowledge of who we are. Till we don't know who we are, we struggle in life. And that's why Puja Gurudev said, more important than what is behind you and what is ahead of you is what is in you. And who are you? Let us know who we are. Let us inquire into the most profound question, who am I? Join us in this self-inquiry.